extra room that can be set up. There we go, set up or use.
That ain't with the moon sink in there, new tub. Yeah.
It look good, man.
Just ain't rowdy yet.
Everything in here light work for you.
All they gotta do is really clean up. And look, it's still free Wi-Fi here from the last tenant.
You funny, man.
I was gonna turn this to Airbnb.
Oh yeah, I know. That's what I was telling her we should do.
I dropped new carpet down. I still had this from the rooms.
And this unit 1, right?
This 1361.
Okay, 1361.
They all got different numbers.
So this is 1361. Right here upstairs.
Let me go ahead, like, new carpet all the way through. All new great carpet.
Like the spiral. Did you do that or was it already like that?
It was already like that. I was gonna get the washer and dryer right now. So the second floor line. You can hit the chain light on it.
Alright. David, you see everything in here looking great. Yeah, this definitely look good, man. It's a guaranteed winner. Alright, that's all these units.
Plumbing is intact. You can see that through the drop ceiling over there. All the way on down to the basement right there, to the vault. There ain't no, we don't know basements. These are all vaults.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
this is the little hallway here. Now they did a configuration change. You remember the spiral step?
Yeah.
The spiral step used to come down and be here. They knocked a hole in the wall and ran the stairs down into that room. So they eliminated a bedroom.
Okay.
That's why this one, 1365, is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath now.
Okay.
Instead of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We'll go through this way, and then we'll go into the kitchen area. The kitchen needs a whole new redo.
David, keep in mind this is the unit that needs to be rehabbed. So.
This is a full room. This unit needs a full rehab. So they kicked the wall through and ran the stairs down, which eliminated a bedroom. So now this is now a living room, and that's the dining room.
It is what it is.
I did try to start it off and kick it off, and this is the bathroom here. So bathroom's already set up. So this could just be a half a bathroom. Toilet stay over there. You got plumbing that's over there for the sink. The sink could be moved over here, and then you can put a walk-in shower here.
Yeah.
Which will work just fine. Plus, you got drop ceiling in the bathroom downstairs, so it's easy to run that plumbing straight across. I started at first. What they did was in this bedroom up there.
Here I come, bro. Got you a dead bird in here.
Hmm?
So you got you a dead bird in there.
Yeah, that bird's been there for a while. So what they did was they closed this whole wall off and made it a walk-in closet. I did the demo, tore it out, and started the framework of putting a closet here. So that way the corner have a closet, and then you have more room.
Yeah.
Leave the strips down, run the carpet, and put all new windows in.
Alright, I got that.
Brand new meter, everything. All wired up.
This the washroom right here.
This is the laundry room for 1365 and 1367.
Okay.
Really